The deepest secrets of female nature. What girls don't want you to know. 1. Girls like toxic men more than nice guys. 2. Girls sleep with men they respect. A girl can hate you with all of her soul. If she respects you, she'll still come over. 3. Girls don't care about your struggles. All they care about is being with a winner. 4. Girls want to enter a high-value man's world and not have to think or worry at all. 5. Girls can move on incredibly quickly. If you think your ex is still thinking of you, think again.